Most people try to change their lives while everyone is watching. That's why it never works. Real transformation starts when you disappear. Step 1. Go silent. Stop explaining your plans. Stop posting progress. Stop asking for approval. Silence isn't weakness. It's the start of focus. Your only job right now is to work quietly. Step 2. Train in the shadows. Every strong character disappears before they level up. No audience, no praise, just discipline and repetition. Do one small thing today that moves you forward, even if it feels insignificant. That's how momentum is built. Step 3. Push through the pain. There will be days you feel tired, unmotivated, and stuck. That's not failure. That's the process working. The version of you that quits dies here. The stronger version is born here. Step 4. Return different. One day you won't need to announce anything. People will notice the change without you saying a word. Your energy will speak for you. That's when you know the rebuild worked. This is your rebuilding phase. Comment your goal below. Keep it simple. Subscribe if you're serious about becoming unrecognizable. Disappear now. Return stronger.